Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by mapping the embedded numeric layout. Look for tiny numbers printed on the right side letter keys, and find the FN key and a numlock label on F keys. Once identified, press FN plus the numlock key briefly to enable the numeric overlay. This turns those letters into digits. You do this now because it's the only built-in method on many compact laptops, and it avoids external devices. Make sure the keyboard lights or an on-screen indicator confirms numlock is active before moving on. Once numlock is active, you use the right side letters as a full numeric keypad. Press the mapped keys, J/K/L for 1/2/3, U/I/O for 4/5/6, 7/8/9 as labeled, just like a separate pad. If you need to type many digits, toggle numlock on so you don't hold FN for each keystroke. Make sure to combine shift only when you intentionally want the shifted character, because shifted letters may produce uppercase or symbols instead of numbers. If your laptop supports FN lock, to finish, press FN plus numlock again to return keys to normal letters and test by typing a common word. This prevents accidental numbers in passwords or forms. If the overlay doesn't work, check for an FN lock toggle, update the keyboard driver, or enable numpad behavior in BIOS/UEFI. These fixes restore the required mapping. If nothing helps, plug in a small USB numeric keypad. It's a fast fallback. Remember, rarely, regional firmware disables embedded numpads, so external hardware solves that case.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.